How to apply transition in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to add transition on your CapCut video. First thing to do after you open the CapCut, now here is my clips. I have 3 clips, this one, second, and the third one. So if I want to add transition between these clips, all I have to do, go to transition at the top. After you go to the transition at the top, then you click on this option. So from there it will give you this option. So here you'll be able now to see different transition under the trend. But if you want to use like specific transition, you scroll to down and choose the one that you want to use. You can go through all this option and to see the one that you want to use. So for me, for this video, I'm going with this camera. After I selected the camera, so here now it will give me the camera style for my transition. So I'll just scroll to down and choose, let's say this one. Anyone that you want to use, now select just the transition you want to use. After you select the transition you want to use, here it will give you the preview how it will looks on your CapCut editing, like this one, like this. So I'll just select this one and then add it to my timeline. So I'll add it between the clips. After you add it between the clips, now if you play the video, it will show you how the preview looks. And that's it. Now, if you want to apply this transition to all of your clips on the timeline, just select this one. After you select this one, then you go to apply to all. So from there, the transition has been added to your old timeline. And if you want to reduce the duration of the transition, just select the first one. After you select the first one, you go to this option. Here it says duration is now 0.5 seconds. If you want, you can drag this one to back to change the duration, or if you want to increase the duration, you can take it to up and increase the duration like this one. After you finish editing the first one, you want to apply the editings of the first one to all of the clips. Just select the first one, go to apply to all. So from there, all of your clips will use this editing for the transition. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.